Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Leonardo AI subscription and delete the account. So first of all, you want to of course sign into your account and you want to go ahead to your profile here, and here you will see either upgrade option or your plan. So now I of course have a free plan, but if you have an upgraded plan, you will see it here. Once you click on upgrade, you will see here all of the plans. And for example, you have this one, you will see here an option to cancel it. And just simply cancel your plan. And now in order to delete your account, you will go to the settings at the bottom here. And on the settings, you will see here account management at the top and delete account. And after that, you can go ahead and delete your account. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.